inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Kill lies, I'll do what I want.
Oh, great. Did somebody call me? Holy smokes. Oh, I must have dozed off. Oh, all nice and comfy. All right, folks, that's the bed part of her done. Pretty simple. The whole idea of this bed system is so I can take it out and still use my car for work, whatnot. But yeah, that's a tri-fold mattress. It's made out of memory foam. Just fold her up. Crap! I dropped you guys there. You all right? Holy smokes! Thought I killed you for a sec, but I did kill my phone, I think. Anyways, that's it. Simple tri-fold mattress. Over here is where I'm gonna put the so-called fridge and stove, build a little cabinet there. I got to work on that design. But it's a simple little bed design. Over here, I put a hinge. I got a box underneath. There we go, nice box to store stuff. But I can throw my tools in there, my nail bag, etc. Have the car, you know, for work through the week. And the reason I designed it like that is so I can put that seat all the way back again and carry a passenger if I have to. But, c'est la vie. The bed part is all done. There we go. Hey, look at that. I can even use it as a lounge chair. How cool is that? Alrighty, folks. One step done. Next weekend, I'll start designing the cabinet when I got some time. Actually, I'll design it through the week, but I'll start working on it next weekend. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We shall see y'all later.